Hello everybody and welcome to another mini tutorial. Very quickly here I'm going to show you a few of the steps for this stitch. The whole tutorial you can find on my YouTube channel. So let's begin. Yarn over 4 times. Then go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then repeat the same steps in the next 3 stitches. When you're ready with these stitches, yarn over, pull through 4 loops. With the rest loops, make 1 treble crochet. Then the next steps are to make 2 treble crochets here in the stitch at the top. The last treble crochet is around the first stitch.